Hello and welcome again. Today we look at yet another question from an IB past exam paper, multiple choice. The volume of a sample of gas measured at 27 degrees Celsius is 10.0 dm cube. What is the temperature when the volume is reduced to 9 dm cube at the same pressure? So the question at a glance might seem quite simple. You would use P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. And when you use this, the fact that pressure is the same in both cases means that you can cancel P1 and P2 because they're the same on both sides, so they won't affect the relationship. Then the temperature on one side is 27 degrees Celsius and the volume on that side is 10.0 dm cube. Then on the other side the volume becomes 9.0 dm cube. We can remove the pressure from this here. So then on this side we have T1 and on this side we have T2. So it's just a matter of plugging in 27 degrees Celsius over here and solving. Or is it? This is the common mistake that students would make. And then of course they would end up with the answer of 24.3, which is the wrong answer. Because what they fail to realize is that this 27 degrees Celsius needs to be converted to Kelvin. And in doing so, it becomes 300 Kelvin. And now when you solve for this relationship, this would come to 270. That of course after you cross multiply and you solve, which is the minor part of things actually. The major part and the major pitfall in this question for students is because they do not convert Celsius to Kelvin. And once you do that, you'll realize that this becomes 270. 270 Kelvin, of course, needs to be converted to Celsius, and that gives an answer of A, minus 3 degrees Celsius.